guys, welcome back. Now you know I've had some good tasteful mods on my 335i, and with owning it for 5 years, it's time to add some more power. Now I've talked about this before, but now it's time to act upon it. So I am working with John at JSR Tuning. He's doing my custom back-end flash on my car. He's got some few updated maps that I'm going to be trying. I'm going to be doing some data logging, so I'll share those videos. As soon as I get done data logging all of those maps, and then he starts working on my tune, that's when the custom back-end flash actual tune is going to come into play. So we're going to be working on that, and then I'm going to be showing you guys that process to upload it. Second piece is that I have VRSF catless downpipes on the way, so I'm going to be installing those and showing you before and after as far as exhaust videos go. So compared to the stock exhaust, I'm going to be showing you that, and as far as all the power gains. So once I get done with that, I'm going to have yet another flash tune that's going to be customized by John at JSR Tuning, so that way we can account for the downpipes. Now I'm not going to be doing the downpipe flash just yet, so mostly because of it's going to be a few weeks to do that, and it's only a small little tweaks to add that on there. So outside of modifications, I have new elder coils that I'm going to be putting in, and a fresh set of spark plugs, of course. I know, as I always mention, maintenance before modifications, of course, right? I have about 8,000, 10,000 miles on my plugs and coils. That's right at the time to when I replace them. So I'm gonna be doing that, so that way you guys can see that process. There you go, some new modifications. The tune's gonna be in, downpipes are gonna be in, and then I'm gonna be probably working on like an E85 flash map. I'd like to do that, because that will really bring out the power outside of just doing mixes and all that. Other than that, thanks guys for stopping in. Please be sure to subscribe, like this video, and of course comment below. Have a great week. See you later.